Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can add medicine and also how you can add medicine details. So let's get started and work on this. So back to VS Code. After that, let's set this. So again, this dot state dot medicine details, then index. So our index is inside. Let's see where key name equal to, then after that value. So where value equal to this, after that where index equal to, let's see this, after that index, then pass the key name. So key name is our key name, then pass the value. So value, after that this dot set and pass the empty object, then save it. Now let's check it's working or not. So console.log this dot state and save it, or medicine details and save it. Back to Chrome and let's check it's working or not. So first clear it, then click on add details and first anything and anything. Now if you see the last output of console, you can see our data has been installed in medicine details. You can see first it contains salt name, description or quantity type, and in also second data you can see everything data has been stored. So in this way you can create a multiple inputs in React and also store its data on React state. Now let's see how you can save all this data using API. So back to VS Code. After that, let's come in top and here change this to, instead of save company data, call the method of save medicine data. After that, we need to pass some key value. So let's see. First is our name, then event.target.name.value, and second is our medical type. Copy it, paste it. Now remove this ID. Now let's copy this multiple times and let's see other data or key. So next is by price. Copy this name, medical type, by price. Next is sale price. So copy this, by price, sale price. After that next is CGST. Copy it, paste here, or you can check directly from PyCharm. It's very easy. So simply SGST, paste it. After that batch number, paste it, because or so here batch number, expire date, and here if you see here key name is same in our field name and in our inputs. If you see Control F, expire date, and you can see both are same. So that's why I am copying this from, for make our work easier, just copy it from Django. Batch number, expire date, manufacture date, company ID, let's see the company ID name. here you can see, change this to name equal to company ID, ID equal to company ID, save it. Again come to top, company ID, let's copy this same line again, and next is description, next is in stock, next is quantity in strip, let's copy this same line. After that added on, okay, this is default data, so we don't need it. Now let's see one more thing, we need to pass the medicine details. So here this dot state dot medicine details, which is last data. Now copy this and create a function. So copy it, API handler, async, copy the function name, function. After that just copy this same and here paste it, only remove this. So here selecting multiple event.target, selecting all the target and remove it. After that in same way selecting multiple value, you can use Alt plus J or Control plus T. Now remove it and it's make our work easier. Last thing, delete this. So this is very simple. Now let's work on this save medical data function. So for this we just need to copy this save company data. Let's copy this function and paste here in function, only changing this to medicine URL. So back to config, copy this same URL and let's see company medicine URL. So copy this medicine URL and change this to medicine API URL, save it. Again come to API handler, change this to medicine API URL. Now let's pass the data here. So let's see, name equal to name, medicine type by price, sale price. Let's copy this same multiple time, sale price, CGST, select it, also select this and paste it. After that SGST, again select this and also select this, paste it. So here I am using multiple selection. You can check VS Code to know how you can select multiple if you face using Control plus T command. Batch number, again selecting and selecting this, paste it. Expire date, selecting multiple. Next is manufacture date, again selecting multiple, paste it. Now let's copy this multiple times again. And next is company ID, select it and also select it, then paste it. After next is description, again select it and also select this description. In stock total, select it, paste it. Next is quantity in strip, select it and select it, paste it. After that we need to pass medicine detail. So let's see one more thing. Come to PyCharm. If you see views, you can see medicine view set. Here I am accessing the medicine details by key name medicine details. So copy this key name and here pass the key name. After that let's pass the data. So pass the data and save it. You can see post method, medicine API wallet and headers. So everything is done. Save it. Come to this page, save it, and let's check everything is working or not. So back to Chrome, refresh page. clear the okay, do one more thing. Key is missing, add the key also. So here dot map, here pass the key name. So let's see, key equal to item dot id. Save it, and one more time, key equal to item dot, pass the index. Save it, let's check. So everything is perfect, key error has been gone. Clear the console. Let's see, first entering medicine. So let's add medicine like paracetamol or anything, medicine type tablet. Buy price 100, sale price 130, CGST 10%, SGST 10%, batch number 1122, safe number 85A, expire date, selecting the date 15 September, manufacture date 16, description new medicine, in stock 100, quantity in strip 10, company Sun Pharma or Glenmark. Let's make it Sun Pharma. Add details. So salt name ABC, salt quantity 100. Now passing salt quantity type, so GM, and description new salt. Let's CDE, salt quantity 100, type equal to mg, description new salt 2. Now click on add medicine and let's see what is happened. So first clear the console again. Now let's click on add medicine and you can see it's showing error. So open this data, error saving data. First let's see the data, click on config, and here if you see our data, what it's actually passing. So click on network tab, click on medicine, open it, headers. If you see, everything is perfect, we can pass data perfectly, but it is not working. So let's see the error. Copy this and paste here and let's match it. Does everything is same? So first it contains name, medicine type, buy price, sale price, CGST, SGST, batch number, self number. Okay, so I think here self number is missing. You can see self number is not showing. So let's add this self number also. So back to VS Code and let's check again. Come to top. If you see, let's see again, sale price, buy price, batch number, self number, and here self number is missing. So copy this and paste here, self number, and save it. Let's see, copy this, description also not passing. So if you see description, okay, here is the problem. Our description of salt name is conflicting with main description. So do one more thing, change this description. So change this description to description 1. Description 1. Let's copy this and pass here description 1 because we are using 2 times description and it's get conflict with bottom description. Now save it and let's check safe number. So again after batch number we are passing safe number. So open this API. After batch number we are passing safe number. Now after safe number let's pass this safe number here also. So batch number, self number, self number. Let's check again. Back to Postman. Self number is done. Expire date is done. Manufacture date is done. Company ID is done. Description is done. In stock detail, in stock total done. Strip done. Medicine details done. So everything is perfect. Only there is one error which I just fixed. Now let's check it's working or not. So minimize the Postman and back to Chrome and again minimize this also. Open console, clear the console, refresh page. Let's check again, clear the console. Let's check again. So ABC medicine 1, medicine type tablet, buy price 100, sell price 200, CGST 10%, SGST 10%, batch number 1122, self number ABC11, expire date that's 20, manufacture date 1, description new medicine, in stock 100, quantity in stock 200, quantity in strip 10, Sun Pharma, add details. Let's add detail ABC11, quantity 100, quantity type MG, description ABC1 added, ABC22 name, quantity 100, quantity type GM and description equal to ABC22 added. Again clear the console and let's see this time it's working or not. So click on add medicine and you can see this time it's worked perfectly and our data has been saved in our database. You can see response data saved successfully. If you click on PyCharm and open database, let's open medicine. You can see our medicine has been added. You can see our medicine has been added 1122, expire date, everything has been added. Everything has been added. So in this way you can use REST API and React for adding company details. Also let's see medicine details. You can see it also has been added, medicine ID 21 and 2 details has been added which I just passed. So let's see what we learn in this topic. So first I show you how to create a simple form, and second I show you how you can create a multiple input using React. Third I show you how you can save this data in state, and in fourth I show how you can save the data in our database using API. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.